નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 7th, સબ્જેક્ટ સોશિયલ સાયન્સ, રિવિઝન વર્ક. Student, today we start our revision work with chapter number 3 and first question is fill in the blanks. So let's start our revision with fill in the blanks. So first fill in the blanks. Every country forms law according to its. Every country forms means to make law according to its. Answer will come constitution. So according to the constitution, the laws is making. So answer will come constitution. Second fill in the blanks. The economical and social problems of the public are resolved by the death. So the economical and social problem of the public are resolved by who resolved all the social and economic problems. So answer will come government. So here we have to write the economical and social problem of the public are resolved by government. Third fill in the blanks. The most important tools for the proper functioning of the government is. So here they want to the most important tools for the proper function, to make proper function. So what is the important tools for the government? So answer will come law. So law it is fixed. So for the government also, that one is very efficient and sufficient for the government. So answer will come law. The most important tools for the proper functioning of the government is law. Fourth fill in the blanks. Resolve the case of the citizen who complain about execution of law. Execution means capital crime. So, who resolve the case of citizen for complaining about the execution of law? So, answer will come court. So, court decide everything. Last fill in the blanks. Government works for. So what is government works for? So it is work for public welfare. Now question number 2 is answer the following in short. So it means you have to answer the question in very short, in a one word or one or two line. So first question is define government. Means here you have to give definition of government. So it means what is government? This question also asked like this, what is government? So answer is the institution which makes law and executes. It is known as the government. So in short, if we can say what is government? Government means it is an institution. Institution means sanstha. It is the institution which makes law and executes. It is known as the government. Second question, how do we come to know about the work of the government? So how we can know the work of government? What did we do? So simple, we come to know the work about government through media such as newspaper, radio, TV and internet, etc. So what is the information we can get about the government? What are the new rules, education related to education? So how we come to know? We come to know the work about the government through about the work of government. Now third question, which facilities does the government provide? Which facilities does the government provide? Provide means which facilities is given by the government to us for public welfare. So for public, government give us ration shops for poor people so they can buy some food and some grocery. So from there we can get, means poor people can buy from the lower price from the ration shops. Second is educational institution. So from RTE, some poor students also our government provide free and compulsory education from age 6 to 14. So they are also known as RTE. So educational institution government give us. Hospitals, some government hospitals are also there. Judiciary means about related to court. Transportation. Transportation means to go from one place to another place, that one is known as transportation. Transportation like railway, bus, these are known as transportation. Next one is postal service, means post office service. Then next railways, etc. So from the which facilities institution government provide us? So that one is ration shop, educational institution, hospitals, judiciary, transportation, postal services and railway station, etc. are providers from the government. Next question is, why is law necessary? Why it is necessary? So answer is very simple. For the proper functioning, to make proper function, so the law is necessary. So to make law, for government also follow the law. So answer is very simple. For the proper functioning of the government, to make easy work for the government, law is necessary. Now our next question. Question number 3 is answer the following question. Means it is brief question. So let's start our brief question about chapter number 3, government. So first question is, what is government and what are its functions? So already we learned what is government. The institution which makes law and executes it is called the government. So first understand what is government. Government means there is a one institution which make laws for the proper functioning of the country. So that one is necessary. So institution which make laws and executes, it is called as a government. Now next question, what are its functions? So what are the functions? What is their duty? Why the laws are we make the institution, our government make the law? So the function of the government are as follow. It is here. So first is resolve economic and social problems. What are the social problems? Means samajik problem related to social people. And what is economics? Means poverty, poor people, literature, illiterature. So that one is resolve economics, about related to money. So resolve economic and social problems. Second is take care of the financial condition of the country. So what is the financial condition of our country? That one to see, that one is also a duty. That one is also function of the government. Now we are suffering in all country. That one is corona. So government provides for poor people many ration shop and giving some money through the bank. So that one is also financial condition to take care the financial condition of the government. If we government have money, so they can help to poor people who cannot eat proper 2 times. So government make new schemes for the girls who have have maybe 2 or 3 girls, and also giving some financial problem. So who have faced the problem, so they are giving sewing machine or some parlor also work. So that one is the function of government to take care of financial condition of our country. So it can helpful to poor people and also other people also. Now next one is manage issues like poverty. Poverty means poor, unemployment means they are totally literate but there is no job. So that one is unemployment, health and lifestyle of the citizen, etc. So there is function of to manage of issue like poverty, then unemployment, about health and also lifestyle of the citizen. Next one is maintain friendly relation with other countries. To make friendly relation with other countries, otherwise there is a problem from other country and they enemy's country also attack on us. So that one is also duty, that one is also function of government to make friendly relation with our country. Next one is maintain law, peace and order in the nation. So as the take the nation on a path of the progress and development. To make the development and progress of our country, so it is necessary to maintain law, means law is for everyone and each and every person have to follow the law to maintain peace, shanti and the order in the nation. To make peace and law, that one is also duty of function of the government. Next one, now thus the government functions like a managing committee. What is these are the function is like a managing committee and it always work for the welfare of the people and it is always work for the people. So from the country of our people, it will be helpful to government to make the progress of our country and make a smooth life of the people. So the government function is also like a managing committee and it is always helpful to work for the welfare of the people.
Thank you for joining us.